In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a force field art. Let's select the cube, and type S to scale. We need to add two array modifiers like this. Let's center the mesh by typing G to move. Let's apply a material. I'll compress time and show you the zoomed node shortly. Here are the full nodes. Let's add rigid body to the mesh. Time to add a ground plane, and add the rigid body to the plane as well. In edit mode, type P to separate by loose parts. In object mode, move the origin to geometry. Type M to place the meshes into a new collection. Let's add a vortex force field. Time to play the animation. This is how we create a force field art in Blender. We could use the best frame to render a scene, and we can test with different force field elements as well. I'll use the sky texture. Let's turn off Use Nodes under Compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.